Top 8 Kitchen Lighting Trends That Definitely Shines Bright in 2023, according to interior designers and kitchen experts. 150 Amazing Kitchen Lighting Design Ideas. The best kitchen lighting trends embody a characterful and inspiring mix of styles and ideas, and show just how transformative and important the right lighting can be in a space. And unlike other kitchen trends, your kitchen lighting ideas can be swapped out to suit your latest taste. Thought they always need to work in harmony to create a scheme that both looks good and provides practical and inviting illumination. From beautiful pendants crafted from natural materials to customizable options designed to stand the test of time, this year's lighting trends are designs that focus on finding the perfect balance between beauty, functionality, and versatility. Kitchen ideas do come and go, but we have spoken with a group of kitchen and lighting experts to bring you the very best 8 kitchen lighting trends that are fresh, yet crafted for enduring longevity. So, whether you're planning a kitchen remodel and are looking for lighting, or are exploring how you can refresh your kitchen with the very latest interior design trends, these are the looks you need to know about. A focus on natural materials. It's true that natural materials, like wicker and rattan, have become increasingly popular in interior design, particularly in lighting choices. The unique texture and warmth of these materials can add a rustic touch to any space, and in a kitchen, they can counterbalance the coldness of hard surfaces and appliances. By incorporating wicker or rattan lighting fixtures, you can create a more inviting and cozy atmosphere in your kitchen, and this trend can also be applied to dining room lighting ideas. Additionally, using these materials in other aspects of your kitchen decor, such as dining chairs or even storage baskets, can further enhance the overall aesthetic. Overall, the trend of natural materials in lighting design is not only visually appealing, but also provides a sense of warmth and comfort to a space that can often feel sterile. Use multifunctional lighting. Flexible lighting has become more important than ever as homes are required to perform multiple functions. Open-plan living spaces and kitchen dining zones have made multifunctional lighting increasingly popular. Perimeter lighting can create the right atmosphere in a room by separating the central focus from the rest of the space to make it more intimate and inviting for social occasions. Brighter, more functional lighting can be switched on when the space is needed for work or other activities. Lighting design should be personalized to the layout of the space, personal style, and the activities to be done in each room. As homes continue to evolve to meet changing needs, the importance of lighting that can adapt and transform with us will only become more apparent. Table lamps can belong in the kitchen too. Table lamps are not limited to bedrooms and living rooms, and can be used in kitchens if placed in a non-obstructive area. Table lamps provide a warm and calming glow, making the kitchen a more relaxing space. They are ideal near a seating area, or placed on a dining table. Portable table lamps offer flexibility and freedom of movement in a busy kitchen. They can be easily moved from a shelf or windowsill to a table or outdoor space when needed. Table lamps are a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. Establish an elegant contrast. When using lighting in clusters, It's common to stick to coordinating designs, but asymmetrical or contrasting styles can create a modern and unique display. For example, an oval rice paper lantern provides a calming focal point over the dining table, while a contrasting cone shade offers practical light distribution over the sink and counter space. Using different pendant lights can subtly zone a large kitchen space. Contemporary lighting designs can establish an elegant contrast with traditional period architecture. Mixing and matching lighting styles can add interest and depth to a space. Careful consideration of placement and function can enhance the overall aesthetic of a room. Lighting can be both functional and decorative, adding to the overall ambiance. Creative lighting design can help achieve a cohesive and stylish look in any room. Choose a unique hanging pendant. Choosing a unique hanging pendant for kitchen lighting can add personality and style to the space. Consider the overall design aesthetic of the kitchen when selecting a pendant, ensuring it complements the existing decor. Size is also an important factor to consider, as the pendant should not overwhelm the space. A statement pendant can serve as a focal point in the room, drawing the eye upwards. Materials such as metal, glass, and wood can offer different textures and visual interests. The height at which the pendant hangs can also impact the overall feel of the space. Multiple pendants can be used to create a cohesive look in larger kitchens. Ultimately, choosing a unique pendant is a chance to showcase personal style and elevate the kitchen's design. Lights encased in a lantern. Using lights encased in a lantern in kitchen lighting can add a touch of elegance and charm to the space. The lantern design offers a traditional and timeless look that can complement a range of kitchen styles, from rustic to modern. The enclosed nature of the lantern can help diffuse light and create a warm and inviting ambiance. When selecting lantern lights for the kitchen, consider the finish, such as bronze or nickel, and the shape and size of the lantern. Hanging multiple lantern lights in a row can create a stunning visual effect, particularly over a kitchen island or dining table. Additionally, lantern lights can be used as accent lighting in open shelving or glass front cabinets, showcasing kitchen decor and dishware. With a wide range of lantern styles available, incorporating this classic design element into kitchen lighting can help achieve a cohesive and sophisticated look. Use a combination of spots, LED lights, and pendants. It's not always just one kitchen lighting trend that's important when you are planning kitchen lighting. Lighting is essential in a kitchen to ensure that it will function effectively and safely. It is a vital part of a kitchen and should be planned during the design process. It is especially important when the kitchen is in an open plan space, as the lighting has to be zoned for different tasks and to create different ambiances. That is why we specify and install a mix of lights, both for practical purposes and to create interest and atmosphere in the space. Now, in 2023, this will continue: spots and LEDs for the job and pendants, and feature lighting over the island and dining table for fun and aesthetics. Having different lighting systems and settings for use at different times of the day or for different purposes means the space can become more flexible and enjoyable. Ditch the angular shapes and opt for curves. 2023 is definitely the year for curves. From furniture trends to lighting and accessories, curves really are everywhere, as designers opt for softer, free-flowing forms in order to establish a more relaxing and comfortable atmosphere in the home. We tend to get wind of kitchen lighting trends early. We see surges in demand for particular elements, such as more natural materials or statement pendants, and at the moment, we're seeing a demand for sculptural lights and soft curves. This trend is a particular favorite of ours, as kitchens tend to be made up of sharp angles, unless you opt for rounded corners on your island and cabinetry. Ultimately, the world of kitchen lighting is constantly evolving, with new and innovative trends emerging every year. From the timeless elegance of pendant lighting to the practicality of under-cabinet LED strips, there are endless options to choose from when it comes to illuminating your kitchen space. One of the top trends in kitchen lighting is the use of statement fixtures, such as oversized pendants and chandeliers, to add a touch of drama and sophistication to the room. Another popular trend is the integration of smart lighting technology, which allows for customizable lighting settings and energy efficiency. Additionally, the use of natural materials, like wood and stone, in lighting fixtures, is becoming increasingly popular, adding a touch of warmth and texture to the kitchen. And lastly, the trend of mixing and matching different lighting styles and fixtures to create a unique and personalized look is still going strong. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic, modern, or eclectic style, there is a kitchen lighting trend to suit every taste and need. By staying up to date with the latest trends and incorporating them into your kitchen design, you can create a functional and stylish space that you'll love spending time in. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.